So 2 weeks ago today, LinkedIn launched Stories in Australia. That's a great feature. It's a quick burst of activity. It only lasts for 24 hours. It's only available on the app, and you can share images and videos. Now, I've been testing it in the last couple of weeks since I attended the launch, and what I found is the views are low because it's only available in Australia right now and a couple other countries, so not many people are seeing the content. But you've got to think about how you can get creative with this. Now, I've seen some clever stuff. I've seen some promotional stuff, and I've seen some pretty boring stuff. So you want to think about how can you capture attention in short bursts of video. Without turning LinkedIn into Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook. So if you're going to share stories which are video, keep in mind that people aren't listening to you. In fact, 80% have their videos on mute according to LinkedIn. So how are you going to grab attention in video? Attention in video. So you want to think about smart movements. Think about those animated kind of movements. Things that you can share that don't require words, or you can have a little caption over the top using the stickers that says something about your brand. So you can get really clever with video, but don't try to just speak to camera because it's just not going to work. So I'd love to know how you're using stories, what's worked for you, and if you've had any wins or successes that have come directly from a story.